Hey, I'm Vadnjal from Gato Sales Repairs, the Newcastle Kobelco dealer. We look after the Central Coast region, Newcastle, Mid-North Coast and West New South Wales. Gato Sales is the longest Kobelco dealer in the country. We've had the dealership for 23 years now. Wes would be Gato's biggest customer in the Newcastle region. He would have around about 20 Kobelco excavators. He's had everything from the Dash 6s to the Dash 10s and from the Dash 2s now to the Dash 7s in our 13-tonne range. Personally, I've been dealing with Wes for 5 years, selling him gear, but he's been dealing with Gato, I believe, for over 10 years, with my father, Chad, and the workshop as well.
Hi, I'm Wes from Leidan Excavations, based in the Hunter Valley. We do predominantly civil with housing and also mining works. We employ about 50 people and run about 60 odd bits of gear. So the machine we've just purchased is an SK520XD. It's a 52 tonne and it's got a 3.5 cubic metre salmon bucket on it. We deal with the boys over at Gato in Newcastle here. So there's Dylan, Tyson and Brad, and their backup service has been great, second to none. In the excavator field in the decades gone by, you'd go onto a civil site and predominantly you'd see Cat and Komatsu. Nowadays you go onto a civil site, in Newcastle at least, it could be different in Sydney, but in Newcastle it's just a sea of teal. You know, the Kobelco's everywhere. As we've all seen with the current fuel prices, and it only seems to be heading north, it's a major factor. That can mean whether you're profitable or not. With the covert, quite a few businesses, doesn't matter what supplies you're trying to get to help with your backup service, a lot of brands are having troubles. We haven't had any troubles with Kobelco. Their stocks on their backup items seems to be quite good. Very rare we've had to get any warranty work done, and if we have, it's always been covered. There's a lot of reasons why I choose Kobelco. Fuel economy is a huge thing, like we've touched on so many times through this conversation. If it wasn't a good product, people wouldn't be buying it in the numbers that they are. So I think that speaks for itself really in a lot of ways. We bought the XD520 for various causes, up in the mining and also to come into the civil, but then we also feel it's a heavy enough duty machine to go into the quarries where we have applications for it also.
I was just talking to the site supervisor and he just said, mate, the amount of dirt that thing's moving compared to anything else is just unbelievable. So very happy with it, even on a civil site where they're not usually using this size machine. Wes and Zach at Leidan Excavations, they're definitely leading the way in the civil game and the mining game. And Gato Sales Repairs are definitely here to support them and keep them moving forward in the future.